Hello friends, let's discuss about IP address class B. We know very well IP address has class A, class B, C, D, E. A range 1 to 126, B 128 to 191, C 192 to 223, 224 to 239, 242 to 55. Here we are discussing about class B. Class B contain network ID 16 bits, host ID 16 bits. 16 plus 16 is equal to, we know very well that IP address is equal to 32 bits. Yes, again I am repeating. IP address has classes A, B, C, D, E. A range 1 to 126, B 128 to 191, 192 to 223, 224 to 39, 242 to 55. When we are discussing about class B 32 bits IP address contain 16 bits network ID and 16 bits host ID, and its default mask is 255.255.0.0. It means 8 bits are on, it means 8 bits are on. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Now you can see host ID is here 16 bits. Valid host in class B, we can say here 2 raised to y minus 2, 2 raised to 16 minus 2, okay, 2 raised to y, y here means close bits, and close bits are here 16. 2 raised to 16 minus 2, you can see here 65,536 minus 2, then your product is this 65,534 hosts per network. Yes, when we are talking about class B, a class B default mask is /16 and host ID is also 16 bits. Valid host per subnets are in front of you. Now what we will do, we will use class B IP address for subnetting, for example @/17, 18, 19, 20 and so on. Thank you.